Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open more options. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Account. Here you need to switch to a TikTok business account by tapping Switch to business account. Choose a business category for your account and tap Next. Enter your email address and tap Add. You can now add a bio describing your business. Confirm the account change for now. Tap Maybe later when prompted to create content. Go back to your profile. You should see a link already in your TikTok bio. Tap Edit Profile to change these links anytime. That is it. You have added a clickable link in your TikTok bio. Don't forget to leave a like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.